Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be taking you alongside with me with my experience at the hair salon. So I rarely go to the hair salon. I rarely have people in my hair. As you can tell, I do my own hair, but with trimming and trying to professionally trim my hair, baby, it is not for me. So I just had to just say no and just go to the hair salon, because when I trimmed my hair last time, I don't know if you haven't seen my videos, like a couple months ago, I trimmed my own hair and that thing was uneven. So I was like, you know what, let me go to the hair salon. So I went to my favorite hair salon. It's called High Texture. It's in Atlanta. If you're in Atlanta area, it is a really good hair salon. They care for your hair. They care for natural hair. I rarely have people in my hair. I rarely go to a hair salon, but the hair salon that I do love going to is that natural hair salon called High Texture, and I love it. I get the best results. So I'm gonna take you alongside my natural hair journey at the hair salon, so stay tuned. As you can see here, I just finished getting my well-needed wash done, and then afterwards she puts me under a dryer to do a hydration treatment. A hydration treatment is so helpful for your hair when your hair is feeling dry. The hydration treatment helps to penetrate the products through your hair and help to bring moisture to your hair and help your hair to retain that moisture, and that is why I love hydration treatments. As you can see, my curls are juicy, they're popping. I just love the hydration treatment. It just brings out the best of your curls, and I get this every time I go to this salon. Look at that shrinkage. Anyways, I love when my hair is blow dried out first before getting a trim. I have had my hair trimmed in a curly state and I did not like it. For some reason, my hair is uneven and I just stopped doing that. I rather my hair to be blow dried out close to straight, so you can see and pinpoint exactly where my hair needs to be cut at, where the split ends are. When my hair is in a curly state, for some reason it just does not show where my split ends are. I know that sounds crazy, but my hair does not show. And then some people who do cut my hair, it just ends up being uneven because they cannot pinpoint where the split ends are. So that's why going forward, I started getting blow dried trims, because I just feel like I get the best results. Also forgot to mention the girl that is blow drying my hair and trimming my hair today. Her name is Miranda. She does really good. I have been to her before. She did a silk press for my hair for my birthday, and she does really good. But honestly, everyone in that salon does really good hair. So if you ever stop by High Texture, trust me, if you go to any one of those stylists, they will really take care of your hair. So as you can see, this is exactly why I prefer for my hair to be blow dried out first when I am getting a trim versus in the beginning when you see that my hair was curly. You can't really tell that I have split ends. You can't really tell that I need a trim. So when my hair is blow dried out, you can tell the ends are a little straggly and you can pinpoint where my hair needs to be trimmed at. So that's why going forward, I started trimming my hair when it was blow dried. And when I went to a salon, I prefer for my hair to be blow dried so the person that is trimming my hair can see exactly where to start trimming my hair at. Okay guys, so this is basically my hair after the hydration treatment, blow drying of my hair, and trimming my ends. I will come back in 6 weeks because I do notice that my ends still needs to be cut a little bit more, but I do not like taking off a big chunk of my hair. I like to gradually trim off the ends, which is fine because my hair still looks healthy. So with everything, I spent about $80, which is very good compared to different hair salons I have been to. So I thought this price was good. But I do thank you guys for watching and coming alongside with me with my experience to the natural hair salon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.